Hello friends, today we will configure HGU single internet service without VLAN in Gpon OLT. There are three main steps and some sub-steps to follow. So let's continue with the first one. Let's start creating a new line profile. Click the add button, enter profile name and set the profile ID auto. The first sub-step is to configure key count. Enter key count ID and select appropriate DBA profile. The second sub-step is to configure gem port and gem mapping. Enter gem ID, mapping ID, tag the port, and click apply. The second step of the configuration is PON setting. Okay, let's click the PON management and then PON setting. Let's enable the auto discovery. The second step is to configure ONU auto authentication. Set authentication type to auto, select line profile, select service profile, and then click apply. Now the last step is to configure auto virtual port. Click the auto configuration tab. Click the add button. Select all PON ports. Enter one as service VLAN. There are some kind of tag transformation, but we will select default. Click apply to commit changes. That's all. Thanks for watching.